Hello, this is the sixth video of additive manufacturing from the Tech Hub project, and on this video we had delicate subject because on this video we will prepare for additive manufacturing process the Javelin. So here we will set up the parameters. So I will focus on parameters, not on other function of the softwares. So let's go. I will open the sixth. I'll download the sixth ESTL for the sixth product. Yes, so I download the ESTL. We'll go on first software, and this is Ultimaker Cura. I will not change anything here, and just we will go through all parameters. So first of all, I will bring the part. Okay, first of all, we see the part coming on not correct position, so we need to rotate with 90 degrees around the red axis. Yes, so click on it, go to rotate, and just rotate, and you see the value. Yes, and in my case it will be minus 90 degrees. Yes, so I rotate it in this way. Okay, because this is Javelin and it has a very difficult and complex geometry, we need to be careful with parameter setting. So I don't change the material, and we will go. So for this we will use the extra fine because this is a Javelin and I need a very fine quality. So we will take the best quality available on the software. So this is the extra fine quality. So just keep this profile, and you can see the layer height is automatically linked to the profile value. So I will close it. About shell, what means shell? Shell is the thickness of the wall around the each part. Yes, so here is 0.8 millimeters, and I will keep it 0.8 millimeters because here we had a very thin wall, so I don't want to have a wall with bigger thickness, so I will keep it 0.8 millimeters. In fill, in this case 30% from my point of view will be not enough, so I will use here 50%. And I don't use grid perpendicular direction, I'll use concentric in order to create each layer with offset of this shape, and again offset of this shape, and so on. So here I will take concentric, yes, and you will see how it's look inside. Okay, and here speed, cooling, material, we don't use them. So here I need a support. Yes, I want support. What type of support? I want support everywhere where the software thinks it's needed, in each of this gap. Yes, so if the angle is 45, not 50, 45, but a line type Y line, because it's very easy to remove, and infill 15%, it's enough. Yes, it should be twice less infill that support that infill, so I can go until 25%, so 15 it will be enough. Let's slice it and let's take a look inside how my Javelin will look. So I will go to preview, and you can see the layers are very fine. Yes, because that was a zoom. So now it's look like this, and there also are supports you can see, and very easily we will remove these supports. And let's go through the layers, and you will see how my part is look inside. Yes, go. So you see the layers are concentric and also concentric. Yes, it's go with offset. Yes, so you can see there are not a perpendicular direction, just parallel offsetted direction with the rest of the ring. So this will help the ring to be very precise. So in this case, when we want a very precise part, we use the best quality and infill pattern to be concentric. After that, just save it on desktop and say Javelin. Yes, so here is Javelin. Save it. Good. Make same setting for Z2 to print this part on Zortrax printer. So take the Zortrax M300 Plus printer, add the file. So I will add the file. This is the file. And on this file, of course, we will rotate it. So go to rotate and say to rotate around this axis. So I just check which the axis is rotating and put there 90 degrees. Okay, after that, go to print settings and I will set up same, but the support. So the material will be Z hips. Okay, so I don't discuss about material. I will discuss about parameters that I set up. So here, the support, I want to put automatically the support on surfaces that are hang out on more than 45 degrees, and the setup I will leave like this. The quality, I want high quality, and here the smaller layer thickness 0.09 millimeters, and this should be higher. Okay, no mesh, I don't want normal direction linear, I want mesh to be concentrical. And in fill density, I want to be 50%, and this will be normal, but type of it will be pattern to not normal, not perpendicular. It should be also like an offset. And the layer of top and bottom, it not will be 5, it will be 8, and bottom also will be 6 because this is the maximum. But top, I want most layers, so it will be 8. The seam, I want to be random, so the switch from the layer to layer to be random. Okay, the gap between the part and the raft should be 0.25. I can increase it until 0.25, and the gap between platform and the raft should be, I will also put 0.25. So go to preview and let's take a look what we obtain. There will be a lot of superstructures, but these structures will be removed on post-processing, so don't worry about this. We can easily or with some effort to take this support out, and this is how the part will look after post-processing. Yes, in this way my part will look, and of course the color can be different depending on what color you had on your printer. Yes, and if I put the support, the part will be like this, and it will be very fine. You can see the quality, the layer is almost not seen. It's like an injected molding part. The layer is not visible. It's a very clean surface, very precise surface. Good, just go to export file on desktop and say also Javerly, save it. And if we go on desktop, we will see both files for 3D Creator and for Zortrax printer. That's it, how we set up the most important parameters for Javerly printing on FDM printers. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.